Oh, hello everyone. I'm so sorry, my throat is a bit. Uh, I'm having a sore throat. So let's solve another problem today. That is leetcode 283 move zeros. So we are given an integer array nums, and we have to move all the zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero elements. Note that we must do this in place without making a copy of the array. Okay, so we are not allowed to make copy. Oh, that would have been allowed. That would have been very easy. But let's see what we can do. Uh, hmm. So, uh, let's think of a while loop. While I less than len nums, if nums I equal to 0, then we have to do something. Mm. Nums dot pop I and nums dot append pop nums I, sorry, here should be nums I append nums I and then we I plus equal to 1. I think so that should do our job. Let's run it. Okay, first we need to define I equal to 0. Okay, so we are getting less index out of range, so we are first adding. So in the first iteration what happens is I 0 and we are going to less than. In the first iteration it's 0, that becomes 1. So suppose we have a 3 length array. So what we need to do is so in first iteration I is 0, it does not hold true. List index out of range, len num minus 1. Okay, so we got one case right, the obvious case is wrong, so we have to think about doing something else. Okay, so I go through all the elements. uh, okay, let's run a for loop for num in nums. For num in nums, if num equal to 0, nums dot pop num, and nums dot append num. I think so that should work. It didn't. For nums of num equal to how do I think so it's num dot delete. Yeah, pop is to okay, so I think I need to look up the syntax on ChatGPT. Ah, okay, so it's del minus 10. Okay, okay, so let's go ahead and mobilize WPS office. Del what was the syntax? So del num. So should that work now? Cannot access local variable now when it is not with a value. How is it not associated? Let's take the range then. For I in range len nums, if nums I equal to 0, del nums I and your nums dot append zero. I can also do like this, and then return nums. Yeah, it works. So finally it works. Thank you everyone for watching.